There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Hello guys, welcome to Gifty and Martin. In today's, I'm going to be showing you how what I feed my baby on the winter. So this is my apple. I'm going to be slicing it. This is my apple. This is the banana I'm going to be using. And this is bio and also butter and water. First, I'm going to cut my apple. Okay. Then turn on the thermomix. I always use thermomix to make his food. This is what I'm making today. For those of you that can read German. I actually got this book from my sister-in-law. It's for baby food, both winter and summer. So I already know most of the things here, how to use it, but I'm just sharing with you guys. This is the book I use. I got it from my sister-in-law. So first, I'm going to be putting the water. I use this tea water. For one portion is 125 gram, but because I want to make for 3 portions, I'm going 60 gram for 3 portions. Okay, then you mix it, put it to the water and cover this. Take this out, take it back, set it for 20 minutes to cook all together. Put it to 95. Yeah, it is cooking now. 300. Okay, so this is for 3 portions. So now I have 5 minutes. It's already 5 minutes. So I'm going to put this now. It's cooking, boiling. Then I will prepare my banana. This is my butter. Okay, so this is my butter. It's 25 grams for 3 portions. We turn it to make sure everything is mixed together. I'm going to cook it for just 5 minutes. Then it's done. Food is ready. This is it. This is how it look like. So I have to portion it for him. 1, 2, 3. I think it's better I carry you. Okay. You drink water after, okay?